Hi there, this is a video by me, Tina Hughes. 9 quick tips for creating outstanding videos for your small business. Tip number 1 is tell a story. Talk about your experiences. Viewers will easily identify with that and then share how you did it. Don't try to sell. Pushy selling is a turn off. Focus on the viewer's pain or problem. Mention a solution. This will grab their attention. And don't procrastinate. Tip number 3, don't wait until you have everything perfect. Just jump in, start making a simple video. You'll be amazed at what you can do. Number 4 is no need for talking head videos. Got a face for radio? Use an image with a voiceover or photo slideshow, or record your computer screen. That's pretty easy. Number 5, keep your videos short. Focus on one message only. The video length of 1 to 3 minutes is good. Less than 1 minute, use text, pictures, music, no audios, okay? Greater than 1 minute, adding audio improves the viewer's experience. Number 6, create a video storyboard. Draw a grid on a sheet of paper with rows and columns. Use one grid or box for each step. Draw stick figures as people and add text. Add your ideas and notes, and it'll be like a mini cartoon to help you plan ahead. Number 7, do your video SEO. Add the keyword phrase in all the right places. Take advantage of YouTube SEO options. Use other video websites too, because the more places your video can be seen, the more likely you'll find customers. Number 8 is be creative and entertaining. Got a Facebook page, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc.? Add only the relevant links to your videos, but don't overdo it. Number 9, the biggie. Add a call to action. What do you want the viewer to do? Tell them, guide them. Sign up for more info? Call you? You have to let them know. Okay, that's it today. This has been a video by me, Tina Hughes, of tinahughesonline.com. Okay, bye-bye.